So students, till now we have discussed about the properties of materials. Okay, and the first property that we have discussed is appearance. That how the materials look like. Okay, सभी materials जो हैं उनकी जो look है वो बिल्कुल different होती है. Clear? जैसे कि iron, copper, and for example book. These are different in appearance. Clear? So some objects we have seen that they are dull in nature, some are shiny in nature. Yes. Can you tell me any example of the material that has shiny appearance? Yes, Manyata. That has shiny appearance or have luster. Both are same. Yes.
And beads and stones.
Yes. Tanishka.
Ma'am, iron, pearl.
Iron. But iron get rusted also. So what are the two methods by which we can regain the shiny appearance of that object? For example, if we are taking the example of iron.
Ma'am, we can rub sandpaper on iron so the rust would disappear and rust will remove and we can see the shiny appearance, or we can cut the iron into two pieces.
So that again we can see the shiny appearance, because iron क्या है, attack हो जाता है किसका air and moisture. It reacts with the air and moisture and oxygen also that is present in the air. Clear? So next topic that we are studying is on page number 29, and the next property of material is hardness. Okay, if you have something, for example, I have diary, so you can check it whether it is hard or soft. Any material you can take that is nearby you. Yes.
Which page number you have tell?
29, page number 29, chapter 4. Okay. So, Prisha, you have cup.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I have cup and
So it is.
digital
Can you tell
mouse.
me it is hard in nature or soft? You can check by
Ma'am, it is
touching the
hard.
surface. Touch that surface, then you
Ma'am,
are.
yes.
Okay. So there are some objects that are soft in nature, and there are objects also that are hard in nature. Clear? So if I talk about this spatula, it is hard in nature. Okay, it is hard. When I compress it, it is hard in nature. But if I take cotton, you can see there is change in its shape when I press it. So it is soft. Here. No, so I will read the para. Hardness. When you press different materials with your hand, some of them may be hard to compress, while others can be easily compressed. Clear? कुछ ऐसे है कि वो press हो जाते हैं. Clear? There is a change in their shape and size also, but some things do not. Okay. So now next, that is written in your book, the fourth line. Take a metal key and try to scratch with it. So I am just taking a metal key. So can you tell me it is soft or hard?
Ma'am,
Hard. If I am applying pressure on it, it is not changing its shape. So it is hard. Okay, and if I rub this key on the stone, इसको कुछ होगा स्टोन को? स्टोन हार्ड है कि सॉफ्ट है?
Ma'am,
Stone hard है मैम. If I take the example of chalk and I rub it, you are seeing the
Ma'am, chalk will become
ma'am, it will become powder.
the particles of the chalk will
if I am doing
powder.
so it is soft.
Ma'am, powder.
Okay, and if I again apply force to it, it will break. You can see the size of that chalk. is changed. Okay, I can also change its shape by applying force. I can convert it into powder form also. So what you have to do, take a metal key and try to scratch with it the surface of a piece, wood, aluminium, piece of stone, a nail,
मैम
candle, chalk. Yes,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
yes.
मैम हम चौक को कंप्रेस तो कर नहीं सकते मैम अपने हाथ से, तो मैम उसको हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, तो मैम ये
Break कर सकते हैं. I will explain you the other thing also. We are coming to that. Okay?
Okay.
अब देखिए, ये भी उसमें इसको मैं ज्यादा अगर मैं फोर्स लगा दूं, इसकी चेंज हो जाएगी शेप. That we will discuss. Okay? We are coming to that point also. Clear? So, the materials that can be stretched or compressed easily are called soft. So the first term that we will learn today, it is soft. The second one is hard. Underline on your book. It is given in bold also. The first column, the topic hardness. It is written in 8th line, materials which can be compressed. So these can be compressed or stretched easily. Here, but the hard इतनी जल्दी compress और stretch हो जाएगा? Yes, Prisha. So what will be the definition? Underline it on your note, on your book. That
Ma'am,
which
can
are
I
difficult
speak
to
the definition of hard? Ma'am, can I speak the definition of hard?
These are difficult to compress. Here, and these materials are said to be hard. सभी ने अंडरलाइन कर लिया? Any another example of soft material?
Ma'am, cotton. Teddy bear.
Cotton. Another thing.
Ma'am, cotton.
Ma'am, clay.
Avni, it is eraser.
Ma'am, clay.
Okay. Yes, it is also soft.
Ma'am,
paper.
It is also soft.
slime.
It is also soft.
Ma'am, sponge.
Ma'am, slime.
One by one, one by one.
Ma'am, plain
Ma'am,
teddy
slime.
bear.
Ma'am, slime.
Ma'am, sponge.
Slime.
Sponge,
Cotton.
sponge, foam. These are the example of soft one. Okay, cotton. You can take any cloth also.
Ma'am, cushion.
Cushion. Yes, very good. Okay, now can you give examples of hard material that are hard in nature? One by one.
Ma'am, iron.
And steel. Glass.
So the example of hard materials are iron is also hard. You can take any metal also that are hard. Aluminium, wood is also hard in nature. So there are so many examples for the hard and soft materials. Now next, in the next para, in appearance materials can have different properties like luster, hardness, be rough or smooth. So these materials can be rough or smooth. So we have taken the example of sandpaper. It is smooth or rough in nature? Yes, Prisha?
Rough.
Rough. So the sandpaper is rough in nature. But if we talk about glass, it is smooth.
Hard.
Smooth.
Hard.
In the further classes, you will know about more about the smooth and rough surfaces. Okay, then you will come to know an interesting fact about rough and smooth materials.
Glass is
Yeah. Okay, now next is, can you think of other properties that describe the appearance of a material? Can you tell any of the different properties? Appearance से जो आप देख पाओ. So if I take this book, this diary, so can you tell me which type of material it is? By
Ma'am,
just seeing it, not
luster is
touching
a
it.
shiny
Touch
appearance.
नहीं करना है.
Ma'am, luster has a shiny appearance.
Yes.
Luster has a shiny appearance.
Luster means होता है कि वो shiny appearance है उसका. Yes, Tanishka.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the diary, it is made of pages, and the pages are made of wood, and the cover of the diary, maybe it's made of leather, and it had a sponge inside it.
Yes, yes. So good observation. Really, it is spongy in nature. So now you have studied about the transparent, opaque. So there are these properties also that we will study it later. Okay. That it
diary
is
is opaque.
transparent or opaque. I am able to see the on the other side.
Ma'am, opaque.
No, I am not
Opaque.
able to see on the other side because it is
Ma'am,
opaque
opaque.
in nature. Clear?
Opaque.
So now next we will do the activity number 4 and we will learn about soluble and insoluble. Clear? So let's start with the activity. You all have 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt, 2 half glasses of water. Okay. So just wait, I am bringing it. Okay. So students, for the activity number 4 that is given on page number 29. So for this activity, you require 5 beakers. So these are the beakers. Okay, and we require 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt, chalk powder, sand, and sawdust. Okay, sawdust क्या है जैसे कि हमें वुड से उसका पाउडर्ड फॉर्म होता है ना वो होता है sawdust. Clear? You have seen, you might have seen जैसे कि जो कारपेंटर्स होते हैं तो वो एक वेस्ट निकलता है वुड का, so that is sawdust. Okay, so I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt in the first beaker. Okay, and then I will take sand. Okay, and then in the next one, I have added chalk powder, and the next I will add sugar. Okay, you can also perform this activity. You don't, you have sugar and salt. Okay, and then add, and then another last thing is sawdust.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to put it now.
Okay, you can also
me,
do the
ma'am.
activity. आप भी साथ साथ कर सकते हो.
ग्लास और क्या मिट्टी
Okay, now next
Excuse
we
me, ma'am.
will add 2/3 of water. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am.
I am taking 40 ml in each of the beaker.
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू मैम, मुझे ये पूछना था, ये जो मैम हमने शुगर और मैम सॉल्ट लिया, इसको मैम वाटर में ही डालना है?
हाँ जी, you have to add water into it. Now next we will mix it. I am taking 40 ml in each of the beaker. So it is called spatula. Okay, and it is glass rod. So you can also use spoon. Okay, in the labs we use this glass rod for mixing. Clear? फिर हमने अब इसको mix करना है 1 by 1. Just mix it. Now students, you can see that sugar solution जो है उसमें पूरा जो sugar है वो mix हो चुका है, and in the case of salt also you can see it is soluble in water, but if I mix the chalk also it does not get mixed with water. Clear? And in the case of sawdust, you can see there is a layer, separate layer that is जो कि ऊपर है, above the surface of water. So what you can conclude that sugar and salt are soluble in nature and soluble in water, but sand, sawdust, chalk powder, these are insoluble. Clear?
Ma'am, the color is changed.
Ma'am, the chalk has settled down.
In the case of chalk, it does not get dissolved in the water. Okay, it does not get disappear. Like sugar जो है disappear हो गई, salt भी disappear हो गया, but chalk is still there. You can see. So it does not get disappear. Clear? Now, coming to the activity 4, what you have to do? Collect the samples of solid substances such as sugar, salt, chalk powder, and sawdust. Okay, take 5 glasses or beakers. These are called beakers. Fill each of them about 2/3 of water with water. Add a small amount of sugar to the glass first, second salt, and similarly add small amounts of other substances in the other beakers. Okay, then we have started. Okay, and then what will happen after some time? After stirring, we have to record the observation in table 4.3. So table 4.3 is given mixing different solid materials in water. So the important thing is in this we are mixing the solid materials. So sugar is also solid, salt is solid, sand is also solid. So we are taking solid materials, okay, and we are putting it in the liquid, that is water. So the substance that is first is salt. Disappears in water or does not disappear in water? You have to tell me. Yes,
Disappear.
Ma'am,
Disappear.
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 So you will write disappear completely in water. Disappear completely in water. Now next is sugar.
Ma'am,
Sugar. Yes, Abhi.
Ma'am, disappear. Ma'am, disappear.
Yes, the answer is disappears completely in water. Next is sand. Sand बिल्कुल mix हो गई.
Ma'am, not
Yes.
So you will write does not disappear in water. You can see sand. So it does not disappear. In the third you will write does not disappear in water. Now next in the case of chalk powder.
Ma'am, does
disappear
not disappear in water.
The answer is doesn't disappear in water.
Ma'am, if the sand is not dry.
Yes.
Doesn't disappear.
क्या कह रहे हो बच्चे? Now the sawdust. Sawdust.
Ma'am, does not disappear in water.
Disappear in water.
Disappear in water.
So next, coming to the definition part. Now can you tell me in your own words what you have understand from this activity, that how you can define soluble and insoluble? Yes, Prisha?
Soluble substances are those substances which can be mixed in water, and insoluble substances are those substances which cannot be mixed in the water. They will settle down.
Okay, so the definition I will tell you. Very good, Prisha. Now, soluble. The next term is soluble. So the substances that completely dissolve in water. Substances completely dissolve in water. Okay, and they also completely disappear. Completely disappear. जैसे कि सॉल्ट जो है बिल्कुल डिसअपियर हो गया था, शुगर भी जो है डिसअपियर हो गई थी. क्लियर? कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर आफ्टर स्टिरिंग. आफ्टर स्टिरिंग मींस जब उनको मिक्स कर रहे हैं विद हेल्प ऑफ ग्लास रॉड और स्पून. ओके, so this process is called stirring in this way. Okay, so soluble the substances that completely dissolve in water and they also completely disappeared after the stirring. And what are the insoluble? How you can define insoluble?
Substances do not dissolve in
Yes,
water.
that does not dissolve.
That do not completely dissolve in water.
That do not
Doesn't disappear after food. Substances that doesn't dissolve in
completely dissolve in
water.
water. And the next point will be, what will be the important point?
Doesn't disappear after stirring.
Yes. For example, when we have done the example of sand and sawdust also. So the second point will be that it does not disappear even after continuous stirring. So now in this lecture you have learned about hard, soft, soluble and insoluble. Here we have learned 4 terms today: hard, soft, soluble, insoluble. And the next now, so if I am applying more force, if I am applying more strength to a soft material, what will happen? If I take any soft material and then I apply strength on it, then what will happen? What will be the change? Yes, Abhi?
change it.
It will change its shape and
It will change its shape.
Yes, change
Ma'am,
in
it will
its
change in shape.
and size also. Clear?
It will compress.
Students, I am pasting Google form. Please mark your attendance. Okay, now next is if I apply more strength. For example, जब आयरन को हम ज्यादा बीट करते हैं तो उसका भी शेप चेंज हो जाता है. ठीक है, वो फ्लैट होना शुरू हो जाता है जब उसको हम बार बार से बीट करी जाएंगे. जो हार्ड मटेरियल अगर मैं स्पैचुला पे भी ज्यादा फोर्स लगाऊंगी तो इसकी शेप चेंज हो सकती है. बट इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द स्ट्रेंथ और द प्रेशर दैट यू आर अप्लाइंग. क्लियर? अगर मैं इसको फोर्स लगाऊं सिंपल, ज्यादा फोर्स नहीं लगा रही है तो ऑब्वियसली देयर विल बी नो चेंज. बट इफ आई एम बीटिंग इट, obviously there will be change in its shape. Clear? So it also depends upon the strength you are applying. Clear? So it is the important point. The shape and size of soft materials can be changed by applying the strength, and the shape and size of hard materials cannot be changed by strength. But if the strength applied is more, then there will be a change. Okay, that I have already discussed. So underline the definition of soluble. It is written in bold also. The substances completely disappeared or dissolved in water. We say that these substances are soluble in water. Other substances that do not mix with water and does not disappear even after we stir it, these are called insoluble in water. So it is given at the top of the page. Insoluble on the next page 30.